Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope that you remember what we have learned in previous lesson. You can always go back to that lesson and revise it. Alright, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Now let's learn to say Saturday in Urdu. We have already learned the days of the week from Monday to Friday. That how to say those names of the days in Urdu. Now let's learn to say Saturday in Urdu. In English we say Saturday and in Urdu it is Hafta. 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 Saturday, Hafta. Then we say Sunday. And Sunday in Urdu is Itwar. 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 Sunday, Itwar. Sunday, Itwar. Let's repeat one more time. Saturday, Hafta. Hafta. Sunday, Itwar. Repeat many times for practice. Alright? Okay, now let's learn two more colors names in Urdu. The color grey. In English we say grey and in Urdu surmai. 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 Grey, surmai. Then silver. We say silver in English and in Urdu it is chandi. 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 Let's repeat one more time. In English, grey. In Urdu, surmai. Then in English, silver. And in Urdu, chandi. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright, now we say birthday. In English we say birthday. The very special day for everybody. Birthday. And in Urdu it is Salgira. 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 Birthday. Salgira. 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 Then balloon. In English we say balloon. And in Urdu it is Gubbara. 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 Balloon. Gubbara. Now let's repeat these words. In English we say birthday and in Urdu it is Salgira. Then in English we say balloon and in Urdu it is Gubbara. Repeat and practice, okay? Alright, so here this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with next lesson. Do repeat and revise all of the words that you have learned today. Revise days of the weeks, colors names, counting and all the rest of the things as well. You can always watch all of the lessons and revise. Now till next time, take care of yourself. Remember in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.